Let me start saying this. This is gonna be a great gift. And I was quite impressed. The wow effect of this, you know, just breaking the meat apart. It's just, come on. There's no man in this world that's not gonna like this. Everything is individually wrapped, and it's stainless steel. Yeah, beautiful workmanship on this thing. You get a salt and a pepper shaker. So how cool is this? You get a little oil brush. So here you go. You have a meat thermometer. You could change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Just stick it in there and you're good to go. And then it has a nice box to store it when you don't use it. How about a syringe? You want to inject something into your food? They thought about everything. How about a flipper? Again, protection at the end. Beautiful stainless steel. Two beautiful forks. These are the short ones. You got a bunch of skewers. So if you want to make some shish kebabs, you got these. They have their own place where you store them. You're ready to barbecue. As I said, this will make a great gift also. But I am very, very happy I got my hands on one. Now all I have to do is just find a grill to use it real quick.